Watch this orangutan family. Here they are. There's a little baby climbing up the rope. His name is Forrest. And then there's Miriam. She's an older female orangutan. And then to the very left is Cinta. He's the dad. And watch later in my video to see what he does. It's really interesting. Okay, and then I believe closest to us in the front is Ruby, the mother of baby Forrest. Okay, baby Forrest goes down the rope there, whoosh, and he grabs his colorful blanket. It looks like he's going to bring it up, and then Ginger, that's goes over to watch him. Ginger is the daughter of Cinta, and right next to Ginger is Miriam. They're both watching Forrest playing with the blanket, trying to figure out what he's going to do with it. And here comes Miriam, comes right close to us. Get a better view of Forrest, I think. Well, here's where it gets interesting. This is the big Cinta, the dad orangutan. He walks right over to this window, to the excitement of all the visitors there and the little kids. And this is what he does. He's cleaning his eye. And he's using the reflection of himself in the glass to do it. So this is a good example of how intelligent they are. The orangutans understand self-awareness. They understand that reflection is them. This is a good example. By cleaning his eye, he's using that. Whereas other animals, like bears, for example, they will think that's another animal. Or dogs, actually. When they see themselves in the mirror, they think that's another animal. And so they'll try to attack it or run away from it, but not the orangutans. They're like us. They have that similar character. And then you'll see him, after he's done, he's going to walk right across the channel. He's so big. And there he is. And then there's little Forrest climbing up the rope. He's looking at him.